How to wash your synthetic wig. Grab it by the ear tabs, place it into the water, let the water soak in. Picking up by the ear tabs, squeeze the water out. Some number 1 shampoo. Only a tiny bit. The wigs don't get that dirty, to be honest. It's more air pollutants that we're washing out. As you can see, it's all soapy. Now we're gonna grab it by the ear tab still and rinse it out. And then with the conditioner, we can put quite a lot on. The conditioner smothered all on it, you can now leave it on its side for about 4 or 5 minutes. And then once that's soaked in, we then rinse it back out. Now place your wig on a towel. I'm going to fold it in half and pat it dry. Once we've done that, I'm going to place it back onto the mannequin and we'll finger style it into its style. And then you can spray some leave-in conditioner on and then let it dry naturally.